Hey guys, and welcome back to EarnPal. Today's video is another way of how to make money online. In this video, I will show you exactly how to make $10 every single minute. And do not worry, because you will not need to film any videos, you will not need to trade any stocks or sell anything. And yes, you can make this money in any country that you are in. It's worldwide. Before I start, make sure you like this video if you like making money online. Leave a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I post new videos, and be sure to get first-class information on how to make money online doing what you love. $10 every minute sounds a little bit too good to be true, right? Yes, this is very possible, and the amazing thing is that you can make it for free. So you heard that right, free without any extra costs. We have tried and tested this way, and we can confidently share this with you and tell you that you can really start making $10 every single minute if you follow the step-by-step tutorial that we're going to do today in this video. Make sure to not skip any of the steps, because it will definitely affect the results and the outcome of the method, and you will end up just wasting your time and not making any money at all. So many people online are claiming to give you free and easy methods to follow to make money online, but most of the content on YouTube is groundless and doesn't offer any actual methods of making money online. So without any further ado, let's start with the video. Let's start the method. Step 1. First of all, I want you to go to this website called pexels.com. It provides you with a large stock of photos that you can download for absolutely free. I want you to search for black and white photos. Those photos are a huge opportunity for you to make money. After you choose a black and white picture that you like, download it right here. Next, go to this website, colorize.sg. So basically in this website, you can colorize black and white photos and make a ton of money out of it. Here's a demo on how you can do it. Scroll down a bit and you will see Select Photo button. Click on it and select your black and white picture. And just like this, you can see that the picture has colors now. It's a very powerful tool, free and very easy. So go ahead and download these pictures with just a few clicks of a button. Make sure to keep watching, because I will show you how you can make money online using this service and taking advantage of this website. The next website is going to be the #1 platform for freelancers, which is Fiverr.com. In Fiverr.com, we can search for so many services. The service that we're interested in is this one. You can go ahead to the search bar and type in colorize black and white photos. Once we do that, as you can see here on my screen, we have a lot of gigs. What we want to do right now is create a gig and copy one of these gigs. We're gonna copy their prices, their description, and we're gonna change them just a little bit. And also make sure to cut the prices a bit so that you can stand out. Once you do that, you can go ahead and publish your gig, and you're gonna have your gig active, start getting orders, and start fulfilling those orders for free, because you're basically doing nothing at all. You're gonna be taking customers' black and white pictures and using the website to colorize them, and that's pretty much all to it. I hope you got the best value out of this video, and I hope you've learned how to make the $10 in 1 minute. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell below to get new updates or our next upcoming videos.